Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with Zelle on Kickwho. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I have done right here. Now let's quickly learn what Zelle is about. Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to pay with Zelle on Kickwho. The first step that you need to take is to connect Zelle to the bank account that you would like to use when you're checking out on Kickwho. So as you know, Zelle is integrated into your bank account. So launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type zellepay.com. It's going to take you to this official website. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it's going to take you to a window where you need to search your bank. So in here, search your bank. This is the bank that you're going to use to check out on Kickwho. So after searching and integrating your bank into Zelle, this is what you're going to do to pay with Zelle on Kickwho. Head over to the Kickwho site and select any product of your choice, any product that you want to buy. Now, Kickwho is big on paying with cryptocurrencies, okay? But then if you want to use Zelle, now that Zelle has been integrated into your bank or integrated with your bank account, launch any product of your choice and follow through the process to place an order. At checkout, these are the options that you're going to find on Kickwho: credit card, PayPal, only friends and family formula, and Bitcoin. Go ahead and click on credit card. Once you click on credit card, follow through with the on-screen prompts to enter your credit card details. In the sense, the credit card for the bank that you integrated into Zelle payment. Now remember, once you select your bank and integrate your bank into Zelle payment, whatever transaction that you make on Zelle goes directly into that bank account. Okay? So ensure that you make a transaction, you send money by clicking on the transfer and pay tab on your Zelle website. So after creating your account, you can see the transfer and pay tab. Click on that and fill through the prompt to send money into your bank account. So once you have done that and that linking has been done and the money has been transferred from Zelle to your bank account, now come to Kickwho and select this credit card option at checkout and enter the details, the bank details or the card details for the bank that you integrated into Zelle. All right, so once you enter the bank details, of course, where the Zelle money is, then follow through the on-screen prompt to check out. So the money is going to be withdrawn from that bank account that has been integrated into Zelle. It's going to be withdrawn in Kickwho, all right, as payment for the product that you ordered. So that's pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.